this one is called Forgiven, and it goes like this. 2, 3, 4. There was a race that I entered in, my heart to beat. I've been running all this time with my head and my feet. By the way, I tick the boxes so often. My eyes grow lines as my nerves begin to soften.